Hi, everybody. Just wanted to give you an update on some new stuff that I just got from N-Scale Supply, and I'm trying to build up my collection from a railroad that was, I guess, described in a Model Railroader magazine many, many years ago, and Micro Scale put out some decals, and so between the ones I had and I guess some other people had, I've been able to put together kind of a small fleet, and I'm going to show them to you today. The newest additions are these tank cars. I got these from N-Scale Supply. I think what somebody did, and there's 4 of them, is they had some micro trains undecorated, and then they took the decals and decaled them up. And they did put, I don't know, it's hard to see. Let me move these. They did put data on the ends of the cars, which I typically don't do because I can't see to read the decals. So there's 4 tank cars. And then there's a covered hopper, which will work nicely. So all of these cars, those are the latest additions. And then I'll walk over and I'll show you the other ones that I've had. Now we're over by Morris Station. And what you have here, this is a Bachmann, what is it, one of those electric motor cars. And I got this on sale a few years ago from MB Klein, so it was like, I don't know, about $50 instead of what they wanted originally was like, I guess almost $200. So it runs fair, it does have lighting in it, and what I did was I just re-decaled it for the Turtle Creek Central. So some of the commuter trains that I like are run by this railroad. And then my favorite one are the 3 rail diesel cars that I have. And you've probably seen these before. So I have 3 of them. And I'm thinking about breaking them up because I run the, and here you can see the front. It's hard to see. There's a logo there on the front. So, but that kind of makes up the fleet. And I think there's 2 more freight cars that I've had a long time, but they're out on the layout. These RDCs go, and I'm going to swing over to San Angelo here. And they go on to this siding here, which has a power cutoff. And the RDCs are ideal because they don't have to be turned. Back over here, the Bachmann train has to be turned, so I really can't use it for there. So I'm considering just using it from staging, say like down over in this area here, and then bringing it up, and then just bringing it into Union Station, and then the RDCs would take over from Union Station over to San Angelo. So, but anyway, that's just some of the things I've been doing here lately. And today I'm going to be moving the rest of the Tulsa station, putting it together again, and then looking at where the lighting needs to go and how I need to run it. So, but anyway, that'll be probably the next video I do, but I wanted to show you these additions to the layout. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.